projects, but this is Serpy. Now today I'm going to be talking about the very, very spooky story coming out of, well, you already know which parishes I come from. From you see the story in the news, from you read some of the details without even looking for the location, I know this have to come out of St. James. Only Hollywood, right, can deliver something like this. Complete madness. I'm talking about the Church of Kevin Smith and the Latter-day Poppy shows. Let me just make my position clear before we go any further. Throughout all of this, who me really feel it for is to pity them with them joining their madness. I'm being very transparent right now. All the information me hear, all the me see, I've heard people say why it's so tragic. Alright, but I'm just making it known. I the pity them really feel it for, because they're not old enough to function and think for themselves, and the adults them who supposedly can think for themselves, right, lead them down a path, right, of destruction. Luckily from where we're here, none of the children were harmed. Hopefully, right, them can work with some experts, right, and their life can, have some form of normalcy after this chaos. Now the man you see on the screen is Dr. Kevin O. Smith. Right, I can't forget the doctor because people are very fussy about their titles, right, and their letters will come before and after their names. This man have about 10 letters after his name, but the only one they should really be interested in, right, is Dr. Kevin O. Smith, S-P-R-A-T. Because by now you'd have heard all the amount of people who get injured, who lose life, and you'd have heard of them things there, right? So I'm not go over that. But instead what I want to look on, right, is this quote unquote man where you see on your screen, right, in congregation, right, the people who support this man because he have friends in very high places. And I'm also going to briefly touch on the whole faith, you see them have faith in something, faith in a religion, I'm going to touch upon that too. Dr. Kevin O. Smith. I don't know this brother here involved in this brat thing. I know people that kiss them teeth right now. See it in gone right now this brat thing where I have to talk about it. This quote unquote man, right, having congregation, right, and he was, how do I say, doing things to the juvenile right, in the congregation, especially the boys them. The Sunday I tell them about, right, what happened to enough young boys at Jamaica. Right, enough man I do all kind of things to them, and enough parents, right, I co-sign it. At this point, I could just call it what it is now. Enough people are hand over them pitney, right, to predators. Right. Whether for money or likes, whether for faith, are the same results at the end of the day. Jamaican children are not protected enough. Right. You see this thing will go on, St. Thomas. Let me just put this out there right now. I'm talking to Jamaican people, we don't believe you. Right. People will come crawling out of the woodwork like Chichi. I go like them business about pitney and them liar tell. Trending topic. Trending topic. The whole country will look, right, so you want to get out a little memes in your quotes and say a little usual termite them. Right. Well, whether them as a quote unquote influencer or whether them a celebrity or artist, termites. I put now look on the business about pitney. Right. We are looking for you, me attack. You're not business about pitney. You're a termite. It's an opportunity to get big likes and go like a stand for something. Right. One thing in the business about pitney. A regular pitney go missing in Jamaica. Check the statistics on JCF side. Right. A regular pitney pick up around Jamaica. Not even a pin drop. I wanna try to convince me say all of a sudden, right, when you just wake up in the morning and keep what Jamaica's use, lie, we don't believe you, you need more people. Just put it up on your screen. This man was going around doing all kind of things to youth for years, and St. James people them know that. But not go now. This is not the first. This man has been an investigation for a long time, you know. Right. Dr. Kevin Osmith, long time they on the police with, and every time them try running upon him, right, him political friend them, cause them have big links in the politics. Right. Him and the old time Sprat, when him baby, the one that they have big talking at the PNP down a mobile, right? Him and that Sprat there. And them, him and baby link. Matter of fact, let's talk about Sprat. Right. Because this me really want, right, before me even go into the congregation and how much people get fined with truth and no, first thing me see when the first thing me notice in that story was the youths them when they do things too. So me I go focus on that little. Look on the man background, you see my song name little chair right there so? You see the colours and behind him? Let me go in a better picture. I want to go and behind him there so. You see the man I display what he's about in broad daylight. You see which flag that behind the man. Look on the Google rainbow flag. You see what the man represent. The man have the flag, right? The man have him symbol behind him and the congregation sit down in and man, I'm telling you, I will call me the yourself from now. Not even that call me iPhone. Galaxy, charged up. The man have him lifestyle and what he's about, right, on full display. The whole congregation can see what the man is about. The man here take what you send it, you know, for myself, you may really take them really. How me see it, once a little youth and a little picnic, I take with business, because picnic can't consent. Right. The man here do things to youth for years. But because of likes, right, because him can give man this and because he's the pastor and because, you know, it's faith and enough time the police try running upon him and them say, you know, because, you know, Jamaica, the religion, right, and the right for worship and everything is enshrined in the Jamaican constitution. So the police is very limited in what they can do because all they have to do is say, you are infringing on my right to worship who want worship and believe and want believe. That is enshrined in the constitution. That bigger than the police. Let me say this right here so. Right? Them call themselves a quote unquote church. Right? Guess what? The church bigger than the police. I'm saying that again. People know about church bigger than the police. Now you might say on a real church, but that's just your opinion. Right? Because in a fidel mind is a church. And that's all you need. Right? You just need to believe in this faith. That's how religion works. It's run on faith. Right? So they're going to tell us that this is their faith and that's their belief. You can't tell them nothing. And people like Kevin Osmith know that the security forces have to tread very lightly when they're dealing with religious groups. These people were moving by faith and not by sight. Right? Because the sight I show them say something wrong, but the faith I tell them say something good. So they move by faith. Logic and reason get put aside. Right? Well, when you get to the point where lives were literally being taken, at them time some people start switch on and say, no, I have to take on myself. And enough people still never switch on. Enough people, even now, him still have him fans them. Even now, people are go, yes, when a time we testify, we're not going to see how hard it is to find people. Now we see how hard it is to find people. More know how a man like this, or an open predator like this, can function through St. James. Right? And only when it get to the point where, right, mass, right, slaying never go on at them time there, something could have happened. Right? People them carry them pitney all up now. Look on the flag, the man has shown where him boat, you know. I don't know when I jump off a boat. I can't believe he might do this to look about when the man preach in front of him flag. Which pastor man can stand up in front of him flag and preach to me? Come on, you're not hearing me. I understand, so we're now in modern times and in woke times, right? And we have to look at Alright, again, me ask the question, which pastor can stand in front of them flag and preach to me? And tell me about carrying a picnic come give him. And don't worry man, just send picnic come give who? People of Jamaica, don't make them paint Kevin O. Smith like a loner. Right? Like a little, outlier, like a little lunatic off in the wilderness with himself and them little disciples. That is not true. Kevin Smith, right, links heavy. They've been saving him all these years. And since we are talking about friends in high places, right, and people are, we can't believe that Jamaica have them. But let me tell you now, right, one of Jamaica's worst kept secret, because not even secret that the way it open and known. You see this cultish thing and do things with pitney and youths and the sprat thing, and I want to know say some of my favorite big wigs deep in it. Kevin O. Smith, right, theme thing just so happen to go public now. You see even them sacrifice thing. Now for the people them who wanna look up to deep in it, don't turn away your head, don't shake your head. Yes, many of the people you look up to and admire, people who you see in suit and tie, many people with lot of letters behind their name, they do the same thing Kevin O. Smith do. Right? Him carry to a whole other level with fame, because him add on the scamming part on top of it, because a scam must scam. But I tell people and say, bring in the position, come take this and give me this and give me this and give me that. No worry man, you got every man. And oh, you're sick, oh, just do this and then come back and so him add on them things to it. But you see the ritualistic side to it and the culty side to it and the sacrifices and the do certain things to pick me on, especially another flag the way you see that so. Telling you woke must get rid of me after that video, but I'm telling you right now, it's normal, right, for certain big wigs. Them deep in it. People who you look up to and admire. People used to play on TV in a suit and tie. You see the scandal where Jeffrey Epstein and them money get caught up in a, with the little girl them. Well, that bigger Jamaica with little girl and little boys. And it's not that no Jamaicans don't know about it. It's that they don't care. It's not unusual for Jamaica. Oh, the gathering of the hundreds of people and mass day, that is unusual. But the believing that the rituals and the sacrifices and then do this to little youth and do this to little pitney, that's a normal thing in Jamaica. It's just the scale, it's just the magnitude what make the Kevin O. Smith story so mind blowing to the people. Everybody thinks that this is a one-half. But you see, enough people where I bury them head in the sun and believe in a sunshine and rainbows. No pun intended. People of Jamaica. I want to think about this. A man tell you, say, bring your house, your land, your this and your that, come give him. Right? And when you give him it, right, you'll get, the gateway to paradise and all them things. At what point does the thought come in your head and hold on? If these things are stop me from go paradise, if these things are stop me from go heaven, what you are do with them? What you mean bring my money come give? So if money are stop me from go, what me I carry come give you for? You don't want to go heaven too? You don't want to go, we had to store it for me? We are going to put it in our vault. These people bring them picnic come give Kevin O. Smith and the senior members of the church. They were heavily funded. Who would think I fund them? Think of some little chicken feed? You think this kind of operation can run? This man had a massive Cherry Chicks program. When this man are going at the bank, people from the congregation are follow him and them a walk on their knees. Let me say that again. The man got to a stage where them are going at the bank and him a walk and people are walk side of him, but them left on their knees a walk. That's the level of devotion they had to this man. Imagine seeing a human being a walk. Right? And then see next a human being side of him a walk, but then they pan for them knees. Not even a show you see that. And that was happening in St. James. St. James people them can't tell us them see that. And I hope people realize that Pathways International Kingdom Restoration Ministries in Paradise is not alone. So if people I go congregation and I realize there's something to look right here, so some of them things are too spooky. You understand? So religion is not built around, who can present the most data and research, but it is built around faith and belief. You understand that? However, human beings, adults, supposed to can say this no look right. And people need to reach out to the security forces if so be the case, because it was a member of this organization who would have to take care of herself, right? Because she nearly lose her life. Right? If she never contact the police, who knows just how bad this could get, because I see an article on National, they say them find one laptop from senior members of the church and then did a plan, right, to take out the whole of the people them and then escape the island from an ark. Let me say it again. Because no people say, what's the repeat this? They go, ark? I mean like, yes, an ark. Right? Don't ask me or that I see on Nationwide. And that they see in the laptop. An ark. So I don't know, right? I know the original story, Noah's Ark, them take 2 of each. 2 lion, 2 tiger, 2 mosquito, 2 cockroach. So I wonder if this ark was going to have 2 sprats, right? And then was paddle them way off into the sunset towards the rainbow. Again, no pun intended. So since them have the senior church members then, the security forces should be trying to get them to start call some name. Because when you hear me talk about the whole Jeffrey Epstein thing, you see Kevin O. Smith, it's very unlikely him did also deal with them youths there by himself. Him probably did I distribute them to other man. And if you hear me I say, him probably has some kind of system, since we know saying love money and love likes, can treat the people with them things. Then your favorite big wigs with for them bag of things could have probably link him and say, yo, send one of them they come. They need to start collect the testimonies, start collect. You see, even them senior members of the church there, security force have met them know say, right now, if you don't start talk, things that were spooky on you. So if you want to save yourself, start call some name, because that's the only way, right? You now get sink at the Titanic. But the next thing I'm wondering, is there even something on the books to deal with this? Because this is unprecedented. Remember, Jamaica don't have no law for gun trafficking, so what kind of laws are going to deal with this? Is there a law that can deal with, for example, the senior church members? Let's say them never actually cut nobody throat and never stab nobody. But what we're going to hold them on? Conspiracy? What are they going to charge Kevin Smith for? Conspiracy or same alright, so we have got in the hope say, right, the people them will get to testify. That's going to be a tough one too. The people them who make the call to the police, maybe them willing to work with them, but don't bother get the hopes up so this congregation are turned upon them beloved quote unquote pastor. But I think it will be a wasted opportunity. If we not try and tear down this network, because this is a network. There must be a network. This organization cannot survive so long. Kevin O. Smith cannot survive so long without a network to call upon. Just like how Epstein then did have a network. You see how when time Epstein did get ready and sugar leak, he had that spooky passing away. You know how this will get real spooky if one hear say them find Kevin O. Smith. Right? with one 8-pounder rope around him neck. That's when you're not gonna know if things really spooky or not, because that means that enough to give a statement, enough to talk. That's when you know how big the thing is. That's when people realize how big Jeffrey Epstein thing is. When time the man now want to sell where all of a sudden the camera now work, right? The guard them do something for now look, man drop asleep, man never did, man tired, man foot pop, all kind of excuses. And man take them on a life the same way. So, one time when you hear some little regular man go behind bars and people that try to build these grand conspiracies, say, oh, them take him out behind bars, man take out himself. You know who actually get them kind of operation they get, where people plan to take out man behind bars so them don't say nothing? Them type of people, yeah. So listen out, we don't want to hear nothing, say no man loser, put them right and watch. Don't just lock them up because we know see them willing to take life and lose life. Put them on watch, because name of first star get called. Look on the big picture, don't get caught up in the juicy gossip. Jamaican do the juicy details too much. Right. On the bigger picture, there's more to this. There's a network behind this, and we have to tear it down. Because I'm a prey upon the youths them. And that's a double entendre right there, so. Things spooky. Very spooky. Logic is undefeated. Common sense, reasoning, undefeated. These things in the human brain for a reason. Part of the reason is to help you survive. You're supposed to look upon a situation and assess it and say this don't look right. This don't look right, I'm not upon this. Come like a wake up. Remember when Uncle Sam had wake up, they had to send in tanks for the Branch Davidians them. And when people are laugh and I say, them think they can't be Jamaica, foreign people fool so. What I say now. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Vulture Squad, stay circling. Bless.